No more blue lights this Christmas. That's the strong message from the Highway and Traffic Division of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, which carried out the first of a series of operations which it says will target the illegal use of colored LED lights on motor vehicles. But the head of the Traffic Division is warning that breaking the rule may result in more than a traffic ticket. TVJ's Herman Green explains.
Thursday evening, several unsuspecting motorists in sections of Spanish Town St. Catherine were stopped by the flashing blue lights of the police. The offense? Having a similar blue light on their vehicle, which is a breach of the road code.
The only vehicle on our Jamaican road that ought to have blue lights is police vehicle. Correct. And so we might even be looking at an impersonation of the police for vehicles that are going around with these blue lights.
Head of the Highway and Traffic Division, Senior Superintendent of Police Calvin Allen says that's why they have decided to step up operations through December and into the new year. Chief Inspector Donald Henry says the move comes as there seems to be an increase in the use of these illegal lights on motor vehicles. He says apart from the LED lights being illegal, it is also a hazard to motorists.
Most motorists now have these LED lights, which are off-road lights, and some people are having even blue lights that are flashing that resembles law enforcement officers. These people are sending a mixed signal to the public. Also, these LED lights are causing driving hazard to oncoming vehicles. So what we try to do, we try to get these people to remove these LED lights that are very offensive to oncoming passengers.
During last night's operation, several drivers were issued tickets or had their license plates removed because of the breach. SSP Allen warns the operation is just the beginning of what motorists will be seeing throughout the holiday season and beyond.
That operation that you saw last night is just a fraction of what we will be doing. We will be going right across the island, coordinated approaches with the Island Traffic Authority, and we are saying if you don't want to be inconvenienced, go and ensure that the lights on your vehicle is in conformity with the Road Traffic Act.
He warns that while blue lights, which are reserved for police vehicles and is the main concern because of its prevalence, the clampdown will extend to other lights as well.
In fact, whatever light it is other than what is designated under the Road Traffic Act, whether it is blue, red, green, whatever color it is, we will be ensuring that we take the appropriate action.
Herman Green, TVJ News.